Today's video, I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back on this YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Margot, alias margavaluxpro. I'm 28 years old. I live in Spain, in Barcelona, and I created my own company where I'll sell you bags and accessories online. So the website is here, it's bamluxurystore.com. We sell and ship worldwide. So if you are from the US, UK, Australia, India, Brazil, or whatever, we can ship to you. You just have to ask or check on the website. Anyway, let's go into this video. So to explain a little bit more, I'm going to show you all the items, give you the price of them, and also I'm going to explain a bit more. So every Wednesday I have a backdrop here on the YouTube video at 6:30 p.m. Paris time. I will pop up on the screen the US time and etc. And if you are a subscriber to the newsletter on the website, you'll receive an email 30 minutes before this video where you have the links so you can buy before this video and before everyone else. So I will put the link in the description of this video, but meantime you can like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna start with the first item I want to show you tonight and that I'm selling. This is an accessory pouch from Louis Vuitton, monogram canvas, a very good condition for this one. Monogram canvas is very good. The strap is caramelized and is gorgeous, no damage. The tag here, the leather part, is in very good condition. It's caramelized, of course. Hardware is used, I would say, because it's not brand new, it's a vintage one. And inside is perfect, no stain, nothing, no smell, it's perfect. We have the serial number just here. This one is in very good condition. Louis Vuitton increased prices like a few weeks ago, so this is now the moment to buy it because our price is very good. We have a price of 480 euro. I will put on the screen the USD price also, approximate price, because it can change like almost every day, but it will give you an approximation for the price of this pouch. Okay, so item number 2, yes, we will go for Celine. So this one is a brand new bag. It's a brand new item that I have. It's a full set. So we have the box, obviously. We have the strap here. And we have this bag. Oh, I love it because it still smells the leather. It's amazing. You are going to love it because we have here the mini Triomphe bag from Celine with the strap. Sorry, sorry for my English. It's not perfect. Sorry for my accent. But anyway, this one is brand new. As you can see, it has nothing to say. This is perfect condition. You can. Everything I'm showing here, like in this video, you will have the link in description. You can click on it and go check on the website for full description, photos, and everything. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you and we're gonna open this together. So we still have the paper, plastic paper inside. So this one is perfect. I think you can fit like credit cards, lipstick, coins. If you have a very small phone, you can fit inside. Yeah, and the strap you can perfectly fit. But yeah, this is such a beautiful and trendy bag. I know, guys, you're gonna love it. You were asking a lot for the Triomphe bag, so here it is. And the price also is very good. It's 900 euro. So it's a brand new item. So if you are interested, let me know. And I think I forgot to mention, but we have payment plans. So if you want to pay in 2, 3, or 4 times, you can. You just have to contact us. Let us know that you want to pay in payment plan, and we will organize this with you. Okay, let's continue. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. So this is a Jackie Gucci bag. So I'm actually very excited because this is the first time we have a Gucci bag around here like this with a Kanda monogram. This bag is in very good condition. It has a Kanda monogram like classic one and beige brown leather, gold eyewear, so this is actually very cute. What we can see on this bag is here under the hardware, it's a little bit dirty, but it's kind of normal when you have it so close from the hardware. Otherwise, we have few used parts on the corners. It's rubbed a bit. You have every photo on the website. Otherwise, Canva is perfect condition. The strap, on the other hand, has little damage here on the base, but obviously this is because it's leather and for obviously it's used. Inside is perfect, and you also have like a small pocket inside. So it is so cute. Like, this is such a bag. This is very fancy. I would love to keep it for me actually, but I can't keep everything. This is impossible. Anyway, the price I know you're waiting for is 390 euro, which is actually a very, very, very gorgeous price. I know it's not, this bag is going to sold out so quick. And again, guys, thank you so much for your trust. Thank you so much for all the bags you buy and the items you buy. It's just insane and amazing. The company is growing faster and faster, so I'm so excited for what's coming next, so thank you. Also, I don't know if I told you, and I don't know if it's going to interest you that much, but what is it? Okay, but we just announced on the French YouTube channel that we are going to participate to a big event in Lyon, a very huge event in Lyon where it's called Marché de la Mode Vintage. So it's a vintage and fashion market. So we will be there. It's a very huge thing in France and in Lyon. So I'm very happy because it was also the place where I bought my first luxury bag. So, you know, I'm happy for this. Okay, so next item I want to show you is this amazing Celine pouch. It's very cute. It's the Triomphe Canva. So this is not leather, this is Canva. We have leather on some parts of the pochette, but it's not everywhere. Condition is amazing. We have corners a little bit darker, but it's not rubbed. It's just dark a little bit. It's nothing that much. Here, the hardware is a little bit used. Inside is amazing. This is black leather inside. And what I loved about this one, and it's different from the Louis Vuitton pouch, you have a pocket here that you can open and close. So it's so nice and so practical. The price also is very low. I think you're gonna love it. It's 160 euro for the Celine Triomphe pouch. Okay, let's go to something else that I want to show you. I have a Chanel bag here, but I don't want to show it to you right now. You will have to wait. Stay with me until the end. I want to show you, okay, I'm just gonna put this here and this here slowly. I want to show you this amazing Dior bag. This is a tote. This is kind of a Canva pink, like light pink Canva, but it's a very good Canva. Like, it looks very, very strong. So I like it. And the other parts are leather, kind of. Is this actually very cute? This is famous, and it's changed from the usual book tote. This one has a little stain here and are a little bit rubbed on the corners, but otherwise it's good condition. The only thing about this one, and this is why the price will be so low, is the top handles that start to damage quite a lot here and here, but otherwise you have every photo and it's not broken. You can still use the bag. It's not that damaged. It looks like, but the inside is good. It's just the parts, the leather parts that are like start to break. But otherwise it's still, you have one shape inside and then you have the leather parts on it. So it's just the leather parts. Inside has stain. I don't know if you're are going to be able to see well, but inside has stain. It's a very light pink fabric, I would say. You have multiple pockets, which is actually cool. And the price now, I know you want this, it's 290 euro. The price is low because it's a bit damaged, so obviously I'm not gonna sell it that high. It's a Dior bag, so if you want it, just let me know. Okay. I'm gonna put some order here. Okay, so now I know you want to see the Chanel bag just here. I know you love it. I know. So we are going to unbox this together, and we have the dust bag for this one, so I'm very happy. And we have a beautiful black leather Diana vintage bag. This is a medium size, so this is pretty amazing. The condition of this bag is precious. Corners are perfect. Like, it's crazy how the bag is. Like, the condition is insane. My client was so careful with this bag. So this is a consignment for this one. Not everything is in consignment. Sometimes I buy directly, sometimes I accept consignment. Depends on the bag, depends on the client and everything. But this one is amazing. The condition is crazy, like very, very good. The closing of the bag is a bit hard, the hook, but it's very fine. So I'm gonna remove the chains and I'm gonna show you. I try to be super careful with the bags I have, obviously, like mine, like if there were mine. So as you can see, this is such a beautiful bag. I'm impressed. So we have long chains here. This is gold hardware, obviously, and inside of the bag is really good. I'm gonna try to show you more. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but inside is Bordeaux, so it's like a very dark red. We had the sticker inside. This is a series. I can't see. It starts with a 2. Yeah, it starts with a 2. I will add the serial number on the product page. You have everything. We have 2 pockets here, so one with a zipper, one without a zipper. So this is actually super cool. I really love this bag. I like the details of the chain here. It's precious. Anyway, this bag is almost brand new. The condition is perfect for this one, and the price will be 4,900 euro. This is such a beauty. You can pay multiple times. You can have a payment plan if you want. This is the bag you need. Knowing that Chanel is going to increase again, this is such a good investment. If you want it, it's here. Okay, guys, well, it was all for today. So thank you so much for watching my video. Do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel. I'll be very happy to welcome you in this family here. We are like very chill, very friendly, very smiling. I don't like I try to always have a smile and to vehicle these kind of things. I hope I will see you on the next video. So see you soon. Bisous.